There has been a sudden surge in the demand for the video collaboration softwares due to the COVID-19 situation, which is forcing more and more people to work from home. Zoom. Eric Yuan founded Zoom in 2011, launched its software in 2013, favored by schools, corporates, and individuals. Zoom's basic plan was to allow up to 100 participants at a 40-minute time restriction, but unlimited one-on-one meeting time. Zoom's number of daily meeting participants has grown up to 300 million. As a response to the 500K accounts leaked to the dark web, Zoom 5.0 was released, with support for AES 256-bit GCM encryption, which claims to provide added protection for meeting data and greater resistance to tampering. Houseparty, founded in 2016 by Seema Sistani and Ben Rubin, and then purchased by Epic Games in 2019. Houseparty is face-to-face social network. A host can kick off virtual party through the app. Users can also play virtual games within their group, such as Heads Up, Trivia, Quick Draw, and Chips and Guac. One can also sneak into a house party without alerting their contacts. Houseparty is secured. There have been no data breaches and no exposure of customer data or third-party accounts. User must have to remember to log their parties to prevent virtual gate crashing from uninvited users. The minimum age for Houseparty user is 13 years. Houseparty allows unlimited participants and is free to download with no in-app paid purchases. WhatsApp. WhatsApp initially released in May 2009. In 2014, it was acquired by Facebook. To keep up with the competitive market of video chat apps, WhatsApp finally doubled the number of participants users. It can have on WhatsApp video or voice from 4 to 8 people at a time. Over the last month, people on average are spending over 15 billion minutes talking each day on WhatsApp calls, well above a typical day. WhatsApp's end-to-end encryption ensures that only you and the person you're communicating with can see what is sent and nobody in between, not even WhatsApp. Microsoft Teams. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella revealed that Teams usage has increased to more than 75 million daily active users, and that Microsoft saw 200 million meeting participants in a single day in a month. Users can host 1080 pixel calls with up to 250 members, which includes the ability to share screens and record calls. Users can also meet or collaborate on the go using Microsoft Teams app from smartphones and tablets. Teams also has a live events feature where up to 10,000 people can join as an audience member, with a 4-hour time limit for the event. Teams will be upping the audience member limit to 20,000 with a 16-hour time limit. According to Microsoft, users' data is protected from malware in attachments, accidental sharing via chat or files. Information is secured with encryption, multi-factor authentication. Also, channel owners can moderate a channel conversation and control who is and isn't allowed to share content in a channel conversations. Google Duo. The platform was first announced at the Google Developer Conference in 2016 and became popular for its simple methodology to experience high-quality video calls. Google Duo is only for video calls and has recently upped its group limit to 12. Users can also add effects to personalize Duo calls. Duo uses end-to-end encryption to keep video calls private. A call's data is encrypted from your device to your contacts device. Also, Duo does not store your facial data or send it to the Google servers. Jio Meet. Jio Meet is the new kid in the video conferencing app market. Reliance Jio is very close to launch new video conferencing app this year, Jio Meet. Users can initiate a video conferencing with their friends, family, or even work calls. This service will be available on all popular platforms, including desktops, mobile, and web browsers. This service supports group calling of up to 5 members. However, that could be increased by the time the app goes official. It may go to 200 members. The final version of the app will have health features like e-health platform, which allow users to consult your doctors online. It will also integrate education services like virtual classrooms and more. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you.